In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a repeating bill in Xero. If you regularly pay the same suppliers, think subscriptions, utilities, or rent, setting up a repeating bill can save you time and help you stay on top of cash flow. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can set this up confidently and avoid manual data entry each month. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the Purchases area. From there, select Bills. This is where all your payables live and where we'll create the repeating setup. At the top right, click the New Bill drop-down. In the options that appear, choose New Repeating Bill. This tells Xero you want a template that will automatically generate bills for you on a schedule. Next, choose the supplier contact. Pick the vendor you pay on a recurring basis. Make sure you select the correct contact so your bills are tied to the right account and history. Now set the repeating schedule. This is the overall cadence for when Xero will create the bills. After that, select the repeat frequency. You can align it with how you're billed, weekly, monthly, or another interval, so it matches the supplier's cycle. Then add the start date. Choose the date you want the first bill in this series to begin. A helpful tip is to align the start date with the next expected billing date to keep everything tidy and predictable. With the schedule in place, enter the products or services you're being billed for. Add the line items just like you would on a normal bill so your reporting stays accurate. Then add the quantity and price for each item. If amounts are usually the same, enter them now to save time later. If they occasionally vary, you can still set a typical amount and update it when needed once each bill is created. Before finalizing, review the repeating bill details carefully. Double-check the supplier, schedule, frequency, start date, line items, quantities, and prices. Make sure everything reflects how you want these bills to appear every cycle. When you're happy, choose how you want Xero to handle the template. Click Save Template if you prefer to review or approve each generated bill before it's posted. Or click Approve if you want Xero to create and approve the bills automatically on the schedule you set. That's it. With this repeating bill in place, you'll reduce manual work and keep your payables consistent and on time.